Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 66. So we are on Unit 6, Lesson 5, Exam Practice. Activity 1, read the text, choose the right words and write them on the lines. So below here, we have, for each question, we have 3 options here. So you choose the one that is correct. So I won't capture this here, so I will just speak out each of the word. So, and here are this evening's programs. So example already given, the news start at 6 p.m. It is read as usual by Gita Barnes. And number 1, so maybe I maximize it a bit. This is followed by a at 6:30 p.m. about recycled materials. So basically this is about documentary rather than advert or music programmed. So this number 1, we have this documentary. So maybe you saw before National Geographic channel. So it's show many of the documentaries. So documentary. And then number 2, about recycled materials and how they, so we have this it's, are, or have. So basically we use they are used again to make new creations like clothes or bags. You can also find out about a new, so we have 3 options here: inventor, invention, and invent. So in this example, it is a noun rather than a person. So this is invention. So invention. So about a new invention. It's a coffee machine. A machine that is used for, so we have 3 options here: for, make, to make, or making. So basically when you use for, so remember previously we have learned the grammar. So use for will plus ing. So the answer is making. And next, it's unusual because it's made, so made of. So if you still remember, previously we have learned this, made of wood rather than into or by. So stay with us for more great programs after this. At 8 p.m. it's the football match of the year. So basically we have this superlative, adjective. So we have also comparative adjective here for number 6, and a positive form of the adjective. So big, bigger, or biggest. So when we have this the, so we pair with est rather than er. So er is basically comparative adjective. So biggest, we will choose, so big, double G. So it's the biggest football match of the year. Join us at the stadium for the you are all waiting for. So we have number 7, join us at the stadium for the news or for the sports program or documentary. So because this is football, so usually So we need to choose sports program rather than documentary or news. So this is sports program. So sports, we have S here, and then program. So program, double N, and then E. So maybe you need to write it smaller a bit compared to others. So sports program, you are all waiting for. And now it's time for the, so this is for the adverts. Basically, this is short form of advertisement or ad, just simply AD. So as you saw in the Facebook, so many are just ads. So adverts. So and now it's time for the adverts. So we have S here. And the next, number 9. Try our natural orange juice. It is. So again, this is, we have 3 options: make, made, or making. So we need to choose made, past participle. So it is made with real oranges, and there are no chemicals added. And lastly, bottle contains the juice of 25 oranges. It's delicious. So we will choose each. So each bottle contains the juice of 25 oranges. So each, not all, or, and it is not other either. So each bottle contains the juice of 25 oranges. So that's it for today. So we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 66. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can consume the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram robot that I developed for free.